1,000 years ago, in the heart of Tamil Nadu, a remarkable temple known as Brihadeeswara was under construction, epitomizing divine architecture and the dedication of an entire civilization committed to their beliefs. The project brought together skilled craftsmen, laborers, and visionary architects, all driven by a common purpose to create a magnificent shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva, reflecting their devotion and ingenuity. As the sun rose each day, the sounds of chiseling echoed through the air, harmonizing with the chants of priests, filling the atmosphere with spirituality and hope, ensuring that every stone laid was fortified with sacred energy. As months turned into years, the temple slowly transformed into a brilliant masterpiece, symbolizing not only architectural achievement, but also the collective spirit of a society devoted to beauty, faith, and its cultural legacy. Finally, after years of unwavering effort, the Brihadeeswara Temple was inaugurated amid joyous celebrations, marking a pinnacle in the history of architecture and devotion, forever etched in the hearts of those who worshipped there.